What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock, specifically the price action, the short interest, the amount of shares shorted, the volume shorted, and I'm going to show you guys why this stock is being manipulated 10 out of 10 to the highest level of manipulation humanly possible. And we're going to be comparing SoFi to the other growth stocks price action today to show you guys why there is some institutions, some big money that want to keep SoFi down and see SoFi as an extreme threat to the banking industry. There's no way around it, and I'm going to give you guys that updated info. And only if you enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be keeping you updated daily on the overall market, specifically the SoFi stock. Be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get the video past 1,000 likes, and be sure to drop a comment. Are you loading up on SoFi at these levels? Let's get into the video. All right, guys, literally all the indexes are green right now. But if you were in market, around noon, the NASDAQ was literally down 5%. It reversed from down 5% to green 0.5%. So a 5% swing. I've never seen, movement like this in, 2 to 3 years, guys. This was absolutely insane. And as we can see, the SoFi stock finished around 4% red today after being down as red as 15%. The volume is very important, guys. The volume is absolutely incredible. 135 million in volume, average volume 40 million. The problem is there is massive short volume, guys. I'm telling you right now, this stock could easily have surged 20% green today, but there is some big money institutions, banks shorting the crap out of SoFi stock more aggressively than a lot of the other companies around its size of market cap. So guys, basically everything inside of the market was red today, okay? Anywhere from 5 to 15%. But as you can see, the Trade Desk, Peloton, Datadog, Shopify, these were up 9, 9, 8, 6, Pinterest, 5%, Cloudflare, 5%, Snowflake, 3%. All these stocks finished significantly in the green after a 5 to 10%. But as you guys can see, I'm covering 56 companies, and SoFi finished number 53 on the bottom out of all of these growth stocks, guys. This is absolutely insane to me. We finished down 4% today. There was over 40 stocks that finished, down less than 1%. So guys, SoFi stock looks extremely targeted to me. And if we just go to that top 5 list, I'm going to show you guys why, SoFi is an extreme short target right now. Has nothing to do with the company. I'm telling you right now, SoFi has to blow their numbers out to just create more volume than the shorts. And that's the only way to get this stock to really start ripping green. People also have to hold. Guys, take a look at Shopify right now. The short interest is 1.87%. Take a look at Pinterest, 3.39% short interest. Take a look at the Trade Desk, 2% short interest. Take a look at Snowflake, 2% short interest. Take a look at SoFi, 10% short interest, anywhere from 3 to 5 times higher short interest than all those other companies that finished in the green today. This is massive shorting, guys, and this isn't even updated, guys. The short interest is increasing. They've upped it 9% to 89 million shares, guys. 14.48% short interest today. That's even higher than Fintech. Fintech's not even giving you the updated numbers. So this stock is being shorted 89 million shares. Guys, if the volume is 140 million and 89 million shares are being short on the volume, 64% of the volume is short. Guys, that is why this stock is not rallying into the green today, even after a 5% reversal on the NASDAQ index. The indexers are literally finishing green, and we are one of the most shorted stocks finishing at the bottom tier of 60 other growth stocks. Guys, you have to wake up and realize what's going on. SoFi is an amazing company disrupting a trillion-dollar market. The problem is, these guys inside of these markets, they do not want to be disrupted, and that is these big banks. These big banks may have bought a couple of shares to, trick people, but I'm telling you right now, they do not want this stock to really go up. 4 of the 9 analysts covering this stock are giving us price targets like under $18 to $20 or something like that. They do not want this bad boy going up, and we can see it in the short interest, guys. We are higher short than pretty much all these companies combined right now at 15% short. It's different from a small cap under $1 billion. We are, in that, 10 billion market cap range. We are a big company. So when you're talking, 90 million shares short, you're talking literally over, $1 billion plus just holding the stock down. Guys, if you just look at SoFi's last 3 earnings reports, we could see SoFi is headed into the right direction of becoming a profitable company. I think that is the only thing to get these shorts off our back for good, regardless of who it is, if it's a bank or if it's a hedge fund. We have to become profitable fast, and at least we have a bank charter license. I think we will have a profitable quarter in Q2 because revenue is surging and losses are declining. Take a look, guys. Revenue up 150% in the first quarter. Net income did have a massive loss of 177 million. But if we go to the next quarter, loss dropped a little bit to 165 million. Revenue is still increasing. But September, guys, when they got rid of all those SPAC fees and transaction costs, net income went to negative 30 million. So that is ridiculous decrease, guys. And revenue was still up 34% even after taking the student loan hit. So revenue is increasing. Net income is getting closer and closer to turning a profit. Our diluted EPS was about negative 5 cents. So guys, 1 to 2 more quarters with a bank charter license, we are going to become a profitable company. But if we have a blowout Q4 and we have a guidance raise for Q1, I believe that could get, the shorts off our back a little bit. But this company is going to rally once we turn a profit. And that is, the SoFi management's, goal. They know that's going to get the shorts off their back, turning a profit. That's why they're only doing, 70 cents, to the bottom. That's why they're only reinvesting 70 cents on every dollar. They could be reinvesting, anywhere from 90 to 95 cents, not worrying about profitability at all and just pure growth, but they owe it to their shareholders. To turn a profit, to show that the company is headed in the right direction. And the earnings, they look solid, okay? The net income is becoming closer and closer to turning a profit. Market cap today dipped into the $9 billion range, guys. And if they do the revenue projections that they predict of 1.5 billion, we're trading right around 5 to 6 times sales, for 2022 revenue projections. And just so you realize, the big banks like a Bank of America, they're trading at 6 times sales right now. So our price to sales multiple, even though we're not a profitable company, we're trading at the exact same price to sales as these big banks right now. So this is incredible for a company growing, 600 times faster than a bank, growing about 5 to 10% year over year when we're going to be potentially growing 60% year over year. So as you guys can see, the short interest is through the roof right now, and it is increasing on a day like this, even on a market reversal. Is the bottom in? There's a possibility the bottom is in for technology because the NASDAQ corrected 18% today. And I was trying to keep people updated on the YouTube because I wasn't making videos. NASDAQ was down 4.8% at one point. This is the biggest bargain fire sale in 2 years for tech stocks. The 2018 correction was 22%. The 2022 correction today was 18%, but now it's at 14% because the entire NASDAQ reversed. So guys, I just want you to see, we've been going over the fundamentals for the SoFi stock, for a long time now, and it's going to be a battle, I'm telling you right now, okay? This is not like the gasoline industry. This is not like the cable industry with, Tesla and Netflix. This is the biggest companies in the world, these big banks, and they do not want to lose market share. We have to steal that market share. If we get a 400 to 500,000 users added to the platform this next earnings, we can make our way back up into the 20s. But guys, it is not going to be easy with short interest at, over $1 billion. Why do you think the stock is being shorted, guys? Just look. We just had 96% member growth year over year, okay? That's a reason for the big players to short this thing. Products are up 108%, guys, up to 4.3 million products right now. Galileo accounts just increased another 80% to 89 million. This is revenue on any time these neo banks or fintech swipe their cards. We're getting a piece of the pie because we laid out the infrastructure for them. This is going to be the AWS of fintech for the next couple of years. 5th consecutive quarter of adjusted EBITDA profit. So guys, they're continuing to grow their business and still pull in EBITDA. Of course, that's not, after all expenses are paid, net income yet, but this is trending in the right direction that, this company could turn net income positive in the coming future. And just so you guys know what kind of numbers to expect for this Q4, they're expecting 272 to 282 million in net revenue. That'll be 49 to 55% year over year growth, 2 to 5 million of adjusted EBITDA. So guys, if we get into the 300 million revenue range, which is a possibility, guys, we're going to be looking at 60 to 65% year over year growth when we hit CNBC on our earnings report. And if they top off, added 4 to 500,000 members to the platform, these shorts are going to get squeezed a little bit. I'm telling you right now, they're going to lose, anywhere from $1 billion to $1.5 billion continuing to short this company. So they need to make as much money as they can, I believe, while this company is still, headed into the public market. Only 3 earnings reports, just got their bank charter license. I haven't even talked about in this video, but understand our Q1 to Q2 numbers for our guidance is going to be looking very, very good with that bank charter license, guys. So they're raising guidance even without a bank charter license, and now that they got the bank charter license, I think 2022 could be a blowout. So you guys seen it and you know what's happening. We are not going green today because we are one of the most heavily shorted growth stocks inside of the market right now. And if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the like button. Don't forget to drop a comment. I'll be answering as many comments as I possibly can. And be sure to subscribe to the channel if you really enjoyed this video once again. My name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.